It's actually red at it.
Alright, bud. Let's give me some help.
He says, I like these. There's something cool.
Oh, we got a card with it too, baby.
He said, I don't care. You look at the card, I'll look at this.
All right, there. You grab that. Have a card.
Oh, toy time.
He's going for it.
Jacoby. Listen.
I like this one. What's that one? You can't read.
He says, cool, Mom. I'm moving on.
Yeah. Moving on.
You know what Tigger's playing? He's always playing with food.
Okay, which one next?
I've seen that movie, man.
What are we going for?
He says, Dad showed me that one. It's cool. I don't need any more.
Alright, buddy. Here, you sit here. Here. The one he fell on.
Rip it.
Rip it. Here, rip it open. Come on. Rip it open.
You gotta get practice. Christmas is just around the corner.
Jacoby, sorry.
I just wanted to put it down so nobody saw your
Where's your
backside.
garbage bags?
In that area.
Where the garbage is?
Kobe.
Kobe, look.
That's a Ninja Turtle.
Did he get a
He's just
turtle?
focused on the one. Look.
Because Dad showed him the cool lights.
Oh, look at how cool that is.
Oh, that one of those night. Oh, dream lights. Sweet.
First car ride home.
No, it's a Ninja
You just
Turtle.
want to
Look at that. You got a little Ninja Turtle.
Jason's getting a bag, Jason.
Cool,
It's
isn't it?
Lucky Pups.
He wants that piece of plastic off the top.
He's like, Dad, that's cool too.
Leo, come back here.
Want to see what's in this one? Oh, we got another card. What is that?
I wonder if you can see Kiwi Ninja Turtles. You know where they come from? Yeah.
Little people. Sweet.
But we should.
That looks like him.
What? That's why I'm sitting back
Look
here.
at that. Isn't that real cool?
They're up there.
I like that.
I want to play with my old toy now. See, I got this one. I want to play with
He's like, that's just like the other one. So I'm going to put these people with those people.
Share.
He says, I'm going to put those people with those
Alright,
people.
bud.
Those
Should
people
we see
are
what's in
friends.
this one?
Let me see.
Good thing about being dad, you get all your kids' toys.
What are we going to do with all these cards?
That one's cute. I like the frog.
There's Scooby.
And I'm done.
On to the next one.
That was fun.
On the left.
You got it?
Hold
Grab
on.
it.
Hold on, bud. Hold on. See? Jacoby, look.
Kobe.
That's the one for me that I was too lazy to get a card.
That matches your other one. Oh, dang it.
Build it.
Awesome.
No. Don't jump.
Isn't that cool?
He says, but Mom.
We have a favorite.
That worked for a little bit.
Jacoby,
Kobe, look.
what's in this one?
Right here.
Leo. Yay.
Oh, cool hoodie.
Jacoby.
Because I'm busy.
Kobe.
Okay.
That one.
Got clothes.
We got that.
Here, this is when he was after Ruby.
We just got
Now we
that.
can talk on his old one and his new one at the same time. In case we have long distance conversation.
You want this?
There's a lot of stuff in that bag.
So,
Oh, of course.
Because we're music people.
Oh, that's not like
It's
the
from,
most
from us.
Buy the most
Did you get him drums too?
Oh, we should have. We should
Those are
have.
Bag's
downstairs.
big enough. You could have gotten a couple in there.
All of the gift receipts
Here
are in
go,
that
at
book.
least, right?
Okay.
Oh, look at this book, bud.
Okay.
Where's the book?
Isn't that cool? It's like it doesn't make noise, so.
Like, whatever.
He's like, but I got a book, Dad. Look this. I have my own book.
Oh, yep. I had a feeling that would happen. Don't chew on it, Jacoby.
Little monkey. Who needs mistletoe?
When you're this cute.
That's funny.
Aww.
Hi.
Stuffed turkey.
He's like, Mom, that's cool.
Funny.
Cover it with clothes.
No. I want that, Mom. That's mine.
You want that?
Jacoby.
You still got other stuff to open, baby.
Come on, bud.
I want to play with that too.
Jacoby.
Distract you.
Yes. Oh, I guess there's some bags.
Yeah.
No.
Katie, you want to get that big bag and get the bags out of the way?
We also have this one before all our other ones.
Huh?
There's another present before all the ones from us.
Oh.
There's a cat.
He's like, that is cool colors. Jacoby, what's Daddy have?
Hi, Bob.
Jacoby, what does Daddy have?
No, there's two of them there. Under all that paper.
Want me to hold it?
Try to get his face.
Colby, look!
Oh, a bunky.
Oh,
A bunky of
nice.
muckets.
It's a monkey that...
That's part of why I asked last night at dinner if you like people ago.
What does it do it on Mac?
Yeah, set it on the floor and then push the button.
Is it on? Oh wow.
He's like,
Jacoby.
I'm happy with my Tapatoons out alone. That's good.
That is so cute.
Jason picked that.
He's hiding.
Leo, come here. Leo,
What?
come here.
I'm right here.
Grandma will.
Isn't that cool?
He's like, that's the coolest gift.
Sounds
I think we
There's
did
one
good,
more.
dear.
A dog.
Another monkey.
Jacoby.
Jacoby. Here. Yeah,
Yeah, this is
he's fascinated with that.